Today, let's discuss the situation that may arise when concatenating two or more arrays using the concat JavaScript native method and you don't get the expected results. Quickly, let's create some arrays now. So for shopping, let's just say winter items. So um, so winter items list. So we have bean equals sock. Okay, let's do that. So we can say let winter items beanie socks. So the last one we saw quotes. Okay, quotes. Then you can enter get back to working. Then okay, or something is wrong here. Quotes. All right. Now let's get some more items. We have towels, bottles, pouch. Okay, so bottle, pouch. That's what we have for spring. So we say um, leggings. Okay, let's say t-shirts. Okay, t-shirt, tote bag, and we have leggings. Okay, so this one will be, let's say, spring items. Then for summer items, that's what we have: sandals, dress, and hats. Okay, so we can just say sandal, dress, and hat, and we can call this summer items. Okay, um this could be where you have a problem. You may code it this way. You may say winter items dot concat summer items, and they may come here then console the log winter items. Okay, that's what we have here. Okay, if I come here and I reload, we have beanie sock quotes, beanie sock quotes. So that means winter items we still have the original items and the concat did not work. Why is this so? The reason is because when using the concat method, we must always assign it to a new array or reassign to an existing array before it can work. So since what you can see here, you can see let's winter and summer list equals this. Then I can copy here and paste here, then save. Then we can reload. And now we have beanie sock code sandals dress hat. So we can even concatenate all three. We can say winter item, concatenating summer item, also concatenating print items. Okay. Then we can just say shopping list. So I can just control this and control paste that, then save, compare, then reload. Then we have 9 items here. All the array elements are represented. So we have our complete shopping list here. So whenever you're using the concat method, always remember that you can chain it. You can run multiple concat methods. There's no stopping you to the amount of concatenation methods you run. But the main thing is that you should assign to either a new array or an existing array to get your expected result. So thank you and see you in the next tutorial.